Hello students, this is SAVITA PAWAR. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the solutions for exercise 11.1, that is constructions. So in your earlier classes you have learned how to draw the angles of 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, all those basic angles. The similar one are here. So first question is, construct the angle 90 at the initial point of the given ray and justify the construction. So this justification, that is the new thing that we have to do it here. So draw the angle 90. As you know, you have to draw a ray here, then take O as a center and with any radius make this semicircle, and with the rounder and with the same radius on the rounder keep the pointer here and make an arc here, and then that will be your point X dash, and then keep the rounder at X dash, and then take another arc, that will be your X double dash, and with the same arc, with the same measurement, draw an arc at the above of this hemisphere. So it will be this arc, and then join this arc with the point O. You will get this OA, that will be your 90 degree. So this point is 60 degree, this is 90 degree, and this is 120 degree, and this will be, if you extend the line, this is 180 degree. So that is the whole hemisphere, that is the whole semicircle. Okay, so you have to justify the construction now. For justification, construct line OP and OQ at 60 and 120. Now from 60 to 90 the difference is 30, and from 90 to 120 the difference is also 30. The total angles from OQOP will become 30 plus 30 as 60. Okay. Therefore, OA will be the bisector of angle QOP. Got it? So OA is bisector of angle QOP, and therefore angle AOP will be half of QOP. So AOP equal to half of 60, that will be 30. So AOB now AOB, this is AOB, total angle is, this is 60 and this is 30, that one is shown in orange color, that is 30, and this is 60. So 30 plus 60 will become 90. That is the justification for this construction. Okay. So you have to first draw this 60 degree angle and join this QO with the dotted lines that I have shown here, and construct this angle. This will be its bisector. So bisector means dividing the angle into two equal half. So this should be 30. Then if this is 30 and this whole is 60, as we know, so 30 plus 60 becomes 90. Similarly here, construct an angle of 45 and give the justification. So this is your angle of 45. Likewise you did for 90 first of all. So all that process you have to do for 90. Then keep the rounder here, pointer of the rounder at point X, and taking length up to 90 degree at this orange point I have shown you, and make an arc this one and cut the arc from point X, and from this point the other arc, and join the line OP. So that will be your 45. Okay. Now you have to give the justification. So for justification, extend the line OF and OE here. Now now in the above question we have seen that this angle will become 60 degree, that is EOF will be equal to FOB equal to 60 degrees, and OA will become the bisector of angle EOF that I have shown in green here. So therefore AOF will become half of EOF. So that is half of 60 is 30, and 30 plus this 60. This is 30 and this is 60, that total becomes to be 90. And OP is the bisector. Now OP is the bisector of this angle AOB. So POB equal to half of AOB here. So half of 90 will be 45. Therefore POB is 45. These are the basic constructions 30, 15 and 22.5. So 30 is draw a line, draw a ray and make this semicircle and the arc here, that will be 60. Then from measuring, taking the measurement on the rounder from this point to the 60 and cutting the arc from the 0 to 60 and extend the line, that will be OP here. So this is 30. For 15 you have to construct first 30, then taking the measurement from 0 to 30 that I have shown in green here, make these arcs from one from 0 and one from 30, cut the previous arc and join this line. This will be OA, that is AOQ is 15 degrees here. 22.5. For 22.5 you have to construct first 90, then 45 and then this will be your 22.5, that is in pink color. So POQ is 22.5. First construct 90, then 45, taking measurement from 0 to 90 and cutting this arc, you get this line as 45. Okay, and then from 0 to 45, taking measurement on the rounder and cutting these two arcs from 0 and 45 and extend this line, that will be OP. So POQ is 22.5. Here you have to draw 75 without using the protector, and then you have to verify it by using the protector. So for that first you have to draw 90, this one 90, then 75 comes between 60 and 90. So taking length from 60 to 90 and cut this arc from once from 60 and the other from 90, cut the previous arc and join this line. This AOB will be your 75. 135 you have to draw on the other side of the, it is an obtuse angle, so you have to draw on other side of the 90 degree. So 135 means on this side, the way you are drawing 45, similarly this side you have to draw 135. Okay, so you have to take the measurement from 180 to 90 on the rounder and cut this arc once from 180 and the next from the 90 and join this line. So POQ is 135. 105, the way you draw, you have drawn 75 above, so similarly if you draw it on the obtuse side, it becomes 105. So between 90 and 120, take the measurement from 90 to 120, make an arc here from 90 and cut the previous arc from 120 here and join OE. So EOF is your 105. Now here you have to construct an equilateral triangle given its sides and justify the construction. So you have to justify the construction. The sides given here are 5 cm. So this is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle, one angle is 60. So all the angles are 60 here. But we have to do the justification. So to justify the construction, we have to prove that ABC is an equilateral triangle where its all sides are 5 cm and all angles are 60 degrees. So let us consider triangle ABC. Now we will consider two sides here. This one BC and AB. Both are 5 cm and angle B is 60 degree here. So if we consider only this much, then this becomes an isosceles triangle. For isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then the base angles are also equal. Therefore, A will be C here. Okay. So now sum of all the angles of triangle is equal to 180. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180. And therefore, this one, but A is equal to C here because of isosceles triangle. So in place of A, you can substitute C and find the value of C. It becomes 60. But A is C. Therefore, A is also 60. And therefore, all the angles are equal to 60. And therefore, all the sides are also equal. And hence, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay. So, this was all about your exercise 11.1. If you have any query, you can comment me in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.